Hi everyone, how's it going today? My name is Teresa Louise and welcome to my channel, I Quilt Too. So, guess what I got today? And I haven't even peeked. And I haven't seen where anybody else has done a video yet, so there has been no peeking. Only thing I have seen is people saying they love it. So I cannot wait to get this opened. Okay, let's go. I always worry when I do this that I'm gonna tear into something or cut into something, but here, I'm gonna put the camera down so you can see. You don't want to just watch me do that, right? Or look at my face constantly. You want to see what's in the package too. Oh boy. Oh boy, look. Yep. She usually puts it in another package. Not this time. So I'm glad I was being really careful. This is pretty. It's green. Oh boy, it feels loaded. I'm just gonna get rid of that for now. Okay, what shall we do here? Oh gosh, it's like Christmas, right? Oh wow, looks like we got a project. Oh my word, oh my word. Oh, I just can't wait to get in there. Okay, I'm gonna point the camera down more so you can see it as I'm taking the stuff out. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Now, you can stop now if you don't want to see any further. If you get this subscription package from Creative Notions, I would stop now, okay? It's not too late. But if you don't care and you just want to see it, then keep watching. Oh, cute little bag. I just love these little bags. All right, here we go. Oh, wow. Yeah, we got a project. Oh, my word. What is this? Look at, oh, hey, look, I got some candies. Kit Kat. Oh, my God, there's so much in here. Oh, my God. Isn't that cute? That's the Zappy Dot. Okay, I'll show you that in a minute. I got to see what's going on here. I think we got a bag. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh, my God, look at all this stuff, you guys. Oh, my word. She just thinks of everything. Look at that. Oh, and I love this fabric. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so pretty. And this is like foam. Must be the stuffing for the bag. Yeah, here's the. Boy, I just don't know what to touch first. Oh my God. Is it Josie bag? Yep. Oh my word, look at this. Isn't that cute? Oh, that's cute. Oh, and a nice pattern. Okay, we'll look at that in just a second. Okay, I gotta calm down. This is the bag accessories. We got a recipe card, and here's the Oh Sweet Spring. How I Love Thee. March 2020 subscription box. She says the bag value is $53.50. I don't know, it looks like it's worth more than that, but here's the card. Nice card. There's some more on the back. Okay, so there's the card. Let's set that down. Let's see this. Sorry about the noise, you guys. There's no help for it. Oh. Oh, wow. Boy, I hope I know how to do these. They're like, oh, I don't even know what to call them. Well, they're bag accessories. I know that. And then there's a little zipper. I'm guessing that's a zipper pull. Yeah. Oh, there's two of them in there. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I use that hot glue. Oh, I'm just going to have to... My fingers are just not what they used to be. Oh, look at those. Oh, my goodness. It's a little butterfly. And it's a little triangle. Now, these would make cute little earrings. Oh, those are cute. Okay, and then these things. Yeah, pour a hole right in the back of them. Can't remember what you call those, but it's probably in here somewhere. Okay, there's those. And then, okay, this is the strap for the bag. Oh, those probably go in the strap. These things, maybe. Okay. And chocolate peanut butter pie by Sonia Jones. That looks good. Okay, let's put that aside. All right, what else we gotta look at? We gotta look at this fabric real quick, because I've already been here 7 minutes. Oh, it's chickens. Oh my goodness, I love chickens. Let's see. I'm gonna bring that. Let's try and bring it down a little more. Oh, isn't that cute? It's a chicken toss and bunny rabbits, just in time for Easter. And then a little pink and blue on white polka dots. That's cute. Oh, look at this one. Oh, that's pretty. Love that. Oh, strawberries and flowers. And then little polka dots again on pink. That's pretty. Ooh, look at this one. Love that one. That's really pretty. This one is pretty. Oh boy, look at that. And it's super light pink in the background with this blue. Very pretty. And this one. And this one. Very nice. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Usually you always get 8 fat quarters, or you get 6 fat quarters in a panel. And this is, let's see if I can find it. $24 value. The fabric is called Daisy May by Poppy Cotton. Well, that's very nice. Okay, there's the fabric. And then the Zappy Dot. And she's cut out, have a little cutout here of a broom. That's cute. And I have all my Zappy Dots since I started. And, well, I would try to read it, but these glasses aren't very good. But there's the Zappy Dot. That's cute. Put him there. And then, yeah, I knew those were going to fall out. The Zappy Dot is $3.50. Of course, the recipe card, there's no charge on that. And then journal cards. Use these journal cards to assist you with your projects and enhance your creativity. That's these cards here. Place them in the little plastic page between the months in your planner. So I don't know if you had the planner. Here's the planner. So the little plastic sheets she's talking about are these little plastic sheets here. Let's see. Let's open them. See what they say. So it looks like there's just, you know, little cards to give you inspiration. And I won't go through them all, but you're unique. Today is a great day to learn something new. Measure twice, cut once. I'm not a hoarder. I just need a bigger craft room. I like that one. That's cute. So got some little cards to decorate our calendar. That's cool. And let's see. The journal cards value, you get 48 of them, it looks like. For $6. And then this Pellon foam, one-sided adhesive. It's amazing for making bags, and this retail value is $10. You get 2 pieces, oh no, 1 piece, 1 big piece. Cool. Okay, so you got that. I'm sure you could use these fat quarters or a different fat quarter bundle to make those. All right, let's see. The bag kit is a $15 value. So the bag kit, I'm sure probably was this, this, these little thingies, and then the pattern. That's quite a bit for 15 because the pattern's usually 10. All right. Love the bag. Very nice. Now, yeah, so very nice. I guess the only thing, if I had to pick one thing that I didn't want, would have to be these cards and being charged for $6 for them. But, you know, I think they're cute. Don't get me wrong. Don't get mad at me. They are cute. I just don't find them necessary. Okay, so you got all this stuff. All this nice fabric. I love this fabric. Love it. Got a nice bag. You don't get charged for the bag. You don't get charged for this. You don't get charged for the candy. And yeah, so hey, that was pretty cool, huh? I love that fabric. So what'd you guys think? Did you guys get this bag? Did I spoil it for you? Oh, I'm just so sorry. You didn't have to watch. I warned you. All right, you guys. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. You never know what I'm going to come up with next. And if you get this subscription, let me know. What did you think? Did you love it too? I loved it. Thanks, Creative Notion. I love the detail that you put into everything. It's great. All right, you guys, now go make something, all right? I'll talk to you later.